prestigious award for excellence in manufacturing of rail tracks or sleepers, parts and components. It goes to Vossloh.
Let's put our hands together for Vossloh, India. Vossloh is a global company with integrated railway infrastructure solution from one source products and solutions ranging from track fastening systems, sleepers, turnouts, points machines, track monitoring, and rail turnout maintenance. A huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Since 1998 is present in India industrially since 2005. And today we are also present in Indian Railways with modern turnouts and modern fastenings already running very successfully. And very soon we will be entering into maintenance of track infrastructure as well for metros and dedicated track infrastructure. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.